So the other one is already done. The Harlequin bulb. I think they are double size. Really good. See that? So once I put water, this one it just show up the bulb. So I can put this soil over there, but I don't want to. Why not? It's just wasting. So just they like just it is. So now this is the lucky dip. So the old boys, I asked them if they are double flowers or single. They haven't answered me yet. So here it is. Lucky dip bulb again. It's like that. But this one because of the hole. And now I buy the saucer as well. See. Same thing with that. But the ground will clean. So here it is. It's actually smaller than the Harlequin bulb. And yeah, you can already. It's been a week or 2 weeks since I rabbit in me that I just planting it now, guys. So I named them one by one. Lucky dip bulb. That one as well. In the future, they'll promote it for. So let's do the same thing with the other one.
Sorry, our lucky dip bulb. Lucky dip is here, and it's slightly smaller than the Harlequin bulb. But it's okay. We're going to plant it like this now. Again, this one, we're gonna multiple this one day. By then we're thinking about putting it in the permanent thing in the ground. For now, we'll be fine here. Okay, we go here. Put that off. So then they get really deep. So now we give them water. A little bit of water, we're squirting in the hose. So we get more space. So by the time this one grows more, we're gonna add more and more soil. But for now, they're good. Yeah, just a young bulb. Oh, it's getting water. So we grab the hose. We give them water. We give them too much, you know. So we get a little bit more. Then we give them fluid solution after this. So that's it. So then keep on giving them water. Once they are dried and the soil is dry, then you can give them water. Or if you see this one growing, and some weeks later or so, yeah, then you can give them some more. So make sure you name them. Harlequin and another one is lucky dip. That's so cute. So as you can see, the water goes so quick. And so is this. We put them in here, lucky dip. And the one is this one, Harlequin. So we give him more. See its solution now.